Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add video and also photo to Facebook posts. So here I've already opened my Facebook apps, and then I'm gonna just straight go to the what's on your mind box here to create a post. And in here you can just click on photo or video options, and then just select the video and also photos that you want to add. So just click on select multiple and then select the video, for example this one, and also the photo. Okay, I'm going to add this photo and this video, for example, and then click on next. And just like that, the video and also photo will be on the post, and you can just say something or add a captions, hello, for example, and after that click on post and just wait, it's posting, and I will show you how it looks like with photo and video in a post. Okay, so after it successfully posted, it will go like this. There will a video and photo in one post. Okay guys, so that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, comment, and click on the text. Thank you.